Hello everyone! Texas is under siege by an unstoppable force, millions of wild boars wreaking havoc on farmland, ecosystems, and local communities. With a staggering population of over 3 million, these highly adaptable and destructive animals are pushing farmers and wildlife managers to their limits. Traditional control methods are struggling to keep up, leading to innovative, large-scale solutions. But what does it take to combat such a relentless invasion? In this video, we'll dive into the most effective strategies used to manage this crisis. Texas is facing an overwhelming wild boar invasion, with millions of feral hogs rampaging across farmlands, tearing through crops and disrupting delicate ecosystems. Traditional hunting and trapping methods are no match for their explosive reproduction rate, allowing their numbers to spiral out of control. That's where helicopter hunting comes in, a high-speed, high-impact solution that covers vast areas and swiftly reduces wild boar population. From the sky, hunters gain a clear vantage point, tracking and taking down these destructive animals with unmatched efficiency. When it comes to the fast-paced world of aerial wild boar hunting, not all helicopters are created equal. Hunters need aircraft that are lightweight, highly maneuverable, and cost-effective, allowing them to track and eliminate boars with precision. That's why models like the Robinson R44 and MD500 have become the go-to choices for landowners, conservationists, and wildlife management teams. The R44, known for its affordability and fuel efficiency, offers enough seating for a small hunting crew while maintaining excellent visibility. Aerial wild boar hunting demands precision, speed, and firepower. That's why semi-automatic rifles, particularly AR-15 variants, are the weapon of choice for helicopter-based operations. These rifles are lightweight, highly accurate, and easy to maneuver, making them ideal for firing from a fast-moving aircraft. Chambered in 0.223 6.5 Grendel or 0.308, they offer a perfect balance between stopping power and control, ensuring clean, ethical kills. With hunting distances typically ranging from 30 to 100 yards, shooters need a rifle that can deliver rapid, successive shots with minimal recoil. While helicopter hunting is an incredibly effective method for controlling wild boar populations, it comes at a steep price. Renting a helicopter costs between $500 and $2,000 per hour, depending on the aircraft model, location, and duration of use. This figure does not include additional expenses such as pilot fees, fuel, ammunition, and maintenance, making the total cost even higher. For many small landowners, this method is financially out of reach, leaving large-scale operations to wealthy ranchers, government agencies, or private wildlife management firms. Despite its effectiveness, helicopter hunting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Strict regulations limit aerial hunting to licensed areas, preventing its use in dense forests, mountainous terrain, or urban regions where wild boars often cause damage. The requirement for skilled pilots adds another layer of complexity. Only experienced aviators can safely navigate low altitudes while coordinating with hunters. Additionally, helicopters are not always readily available, making rapid response efforts difficult, especially in remote locations where wild boars are most problematic. Weather conditions can also disrupt operations, as strong winds, rain, or poor visibility can ground flights. Helicopter hunting stands as one of the most efficient and powerful tools in the fight against invasive wild boars. But it comes with significant costs, challenges, and responsibilities. While it helps protect farmlands, ecosystems, and native wildlife, its high price and strict regulations make it an option only for those with the resources to implement it properly. As the wild boar crisis continues, the question remains, is this method sustainable in the long run, or should alternative strategies take priority? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to explore more about wildlife control, subscribe now and join us on the next adventure. Where we explore today's most pressing wildlife challenges. Across American cities, a surge in baboon invasions is drawing serious attention. In 2014, the USDA recorded over 1,000 incidents of baboons raiding homes for food, raising urgent questions about current control measures. As communities struggle with these disruptive incursions, many wonder if traditional management strategies truly work. Our investigation highlights numerous innovative tactics and remarkable success stories. Today, we examine innovative approaches to address this growing issue. In Florida, the baboon problem went from a modest 15 home invasions to an alarming 1,500 incidents between 2011 and 2014. This dramatic escalation has turned these highly intelligent animals into a significant urban issue. Baboons have disrupted daily life by contaminating homes and vehicles, reaching staggering cleanup costs of up to $175 billion each year. Worse, their waste poses major health risks, potentially spreading diseases to humans. With over 500 baboons estimated in Broward County alone, authorities have turned to firearms as a desperate measure. In response to the baboon invasion, the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, FWC, has implemented hunting regulations and licensing requirements. A statewide license is mandatory, and the hunting season from January to March ensures a regulated approach. After the season, hunters must report their kills within 7 days with severe penalties, including a 5-year ban for non-compliance. Mandatory firearms training reinforces safety and effective practices, ensuring each hunt is conducted responsibly. To effectively combat the growing baboon population in Florida, hunters rely on precise strategies and advanced weaponry. One critical factor is maintaining a safe distance of 1,00150 feet to ensure both accurate shots and safety. The Impact M3 gun is a key tool in this effort. Praised for its speed and dependability over short to medium ranges, this weapon has proven itself effective in reducing the baboon population from an alarming 500 to just 1,000. These successful interventions not only protect the local environment, but also safeguard agricultural resources vital to Florida's economy. Advanced hunting techniques are redefining invasive species control through camouflage, teamwork, and strategic baiting. Hunters equip themselves with clothing that blends seamlessly into the natural environment, ensuring they remain undetected by wary baboons. Operating in teams of at least 3 not only boosts safety but also enhances coordination and strategic planning during hunts. Additionally, deploying fruit bait effectively attracts baboons, luring them closer for accurate targeting. Advancements in hunting technology have significantly transformed wildlife management, with high-precision scopes equipped with zoom and tilt adjustments enabling hunters to accurately target baboons in challenging conditions. Meanwhile, strict regulations prohibit night hunting to minimize adverse effects on other species and ensure public safety. In conclusion, once baboon populations are under control, hunting activities will cease and natural balance will hopefully be restored. The state takes additional measures to ensure these baboons do not fall victim to other invasive species. However, questions remain about the health risks and cultural concerns surrounding the consumption of these animals. What are your thoughts on the ethical implications of wildlife control strategies? Join the conversation and subscribe to our channel for more on this compelling journey.